Crafting that addictive progressive house lead that sticks in your head is an art, and today we're unlocking its secrets. We're diving deep into creating captivating LED melodies, starting with the heart of the sound synthesis. Forget generic presets, we'll sculpt our LED from scratch. Begin with a vibrant oscillator, perhaps a saw wave for its rich harmonics, or a square wave for a more reedy tone. Layering these can add incredible depth. Then, employ a resonant filter, automating its cutoff frequency with a gentle LFO. This creates that signature evolving, sweeping character. Next, let's talk arrangement and performance. The killer lead isn't just one note after another. It's about subtle phrasing and emotional contour. Introduce velocity variations to give your notes natural dynamics. Play with subtle pitch bends and portamento to connect your notes smoothly. Mimicking a vocal-like quality, automate your filter cutoff and resonance to create that beautiful, expressive build and release as the melody progresses. Finally, we need to make a cut through the mix. EQ is crucial here. Boost those mid-high frequencies for presence, but be mindful of clashes with other elements. A touch of compression will even out the dynamics and add sustain. And for that signature progressive house air, think spacious, shimmering reverb. A good hall or plate reverb with a medium decay time can truly elevate your lead, giving it that expansive, anthemic feel. Combine these techniques, experiment, and your next progressive house banger will have a lead hook that listeners can't forget.